Imagine stepping into a rainforest and facing an opponent that doesn't throw combinations, just one perfectly timed kick. In Taekwondo, a single well-executed strike can end a match. Now replace the trained athlete with a cassowary, and replace the padded foot with a 10-centimeter dagger-like claw. The principle is the same, but the physics become far more dangerous. Cassowaries are large, flightless birds from New Guinea and northern Australia. Their threat is best understood through biomechanics and kinetic energy. In physics, kinetic energy is defined as Ke equals 1/2 mv superscript 2, meaning the energy of a moving object increases with both its mass and the square of its velocity. This square relationship is critical. Doubling speed increases energy fourfold. A cassowary can weigh around 50 to 70 kilograms and accelerate its leg rapidly during a kick. If we conservatively estimate that part of its leg mass involved in the strike is around 10 kilograms moving at roughly 15 meters per second, the kinetic energy would be Ke is equal to 1/2 times 10 times 15 superscript 2 equals 1,125 joules. For comparison, controlled measurements in sports science show that elite Taekwondo kicks can reach several hundred joules, depending on technique and athlete mass. The cassowary strike can exceed that range, not only because of mass but also due to its explosive and lack of restraint. But energy alone doesn't define injury. The claw concentrates that energy into a very small contact area. According to pressure mechanics, when force is applied over a smaller surface, pressure increases dramatically. This is why the cassowary's kick is not just blunt force trauma. It becomes a penetrating strike capable of deep lacerations and vascular damage. The motion itself resembles a hybrid between a front kick and an axe kick in Taekwondo, forward propulsion combined with a downward slicing action. However, unlike a human fighter, the cassowary doesn't telegraph its movement. There is minimal preparatory motion, reducing reaction time for any target. From a biological standpoint, this efficiency is an evolutionary adaptation. Cassowaries are generally solitary and avoid conflict, but when threatened or conditioned by human interaction, they switch to a rapid defensive response. In that moment, the mechanics are simple. Maximize energy transfer in a single movement, then disengage. Balance and stability further enhance this system. Like a skilled martial artist maintaining center of gravity, the cassowary's body structure allows it to deliver high-energy kicks without losing footing, even on irregular forest ground. So the real danger lies in the convergence of physics and biology. A cassowary doesn't need multiple strikes or prolonged engagement. One kick, carrying over 1,000 joules of kinetic energy and focused through a blade-like claw, is enough to turn a brief encounter into a life-threatening event.